It was before a decade, we at MART INFOMEDIA with our editor advisory board members started doing small events. On these events, which was focused on the manufacturing sector, we had a challenge in getting women participation, be it a speaker or even people who will come and attend these events. That is when we started finding out women who are working in manufacturing and promoting them. It is long 10 years now we are taking this journey. During 2017, we did an exclusive print magazine on Womanufacturing, and we were promoting this word Womanufacturing from that time. Over these last 10 years, we are happy and privileged to tell the story of hundreds of women working in the Indian manufacturing sector. On 30th of July 2022 at Taj Vivanta, Pune, we are going to celebrate the power of women in manufacturing with manufacturing SMEs who are gender neutral. Friends, it is not easy for a SME to employ women with our present society and cultural setup. All these challenges are not stopping some of the bright companies in this country to employ women and bring gender equalness in their workforce. Join us this Saturday and celebrate the power of women in Indian manufacturing.